Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off YouTube search history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app, tap on profile icon and click on settings. Okay, and click on manage all history. Okay, tap on savings your YouTube history, just click and click on turn off and push, got it. Turn is on and turn off YouTube history. Okay, just click turn off and got it. That's all to turn off YouTube search history. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.